Let's learn about elevation comparisons using absolute value. A submarine is at negative 120 meters below sea level, and a mountain is at 100 meters above sea level. Compare their elevations using absolute value and explain the difference. Let's get a visual here. We have sea level right here, and that's going to be at 0 meters. We have our submarine. Don't judge my drawings here. A little too much. All right, we have a submarine right down there, and that is at negative 120 meters. Then we have a mountain only 100 meters, but hey, that's the problem here. We have a mountain right here that's going up here, and that's at 100 meters above our sea level. All right, so we have a visual here. Let's take the absolute value of both. A submarine, negative 120 meters. We take the absolute value of a number. It's a distance from 0, so negative 120 has a distance of a positive 120 meters. And the mountain, absolute value of 100 meters, is still going to be positive, is 100 meters, so distance from 0. So if we compare the two, 120 meters is greater than 100 meters. What does that tell us here? This tells us here that the distance from sea level of the submarine, that distance, even though it's negative, that distance from sea level is greater than the distance here from the top of the mountain to sea level. So the submarine is more below sea level than the mountain is above sea level. I hope you learned something here about elevation comparisons using absolute value. And as always, thanks for watching.